So guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So for today, I'm going to be teaching you how you can share your already uploaded video to your community tab. So the first thing you need to do is go to create, come here to create, and then you go to create post. So now when you get here, you scroll down. So this is where we are going to share our already uploaded video to our community tab. So for sharing to a community tab, you can add an image and share. You can create an image poll, a text poll, a quiz, or add an existing video. So for this tutorial, we're going to be adding an existing video. So you click on this part, add existing video. So when that is done, you can search here for the title of that particular video that you already have, or you can scroll through the selection here. You can scroll through the selection here to look for the video that you want to share to your community. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing this first video here. So I've selected it, and then you click on insert. You click on insert. When you click on insert, then the video is going to come up here. Then you're going to give it a title, just a little description. So for this one is the topic is copyright claim, no problem. How to fix copyright claims. Okay, so I'm just going to write. I'm just going to write here how to fix copyright claim on your video. Okay, so I just gave it a little title, and then now you can post immediately. That's if you want the video published immediately. You can as well schedule the video. You can schedule your video if you don't want it to be published immediately. You can schedule the video, or you can archive the video. So whichever you decide to do is your choice. But for this, I'm going to be publishing the video immediately. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be posting immediately. So when that is done, you've written your description and the video is already there. You just click on post. Click on post and wait for it to load. Now, post created. So now our video has been shared to our community. So when you scroll down, you're going to see the video here. This is your community tab here. And anyone that comes across your community can see your video. It's always advisable to always share your old videos to your community, especially older videos, so that it will be easy for your subscribers to be able to get the video if they want to rewatch it. So, okay, let's go back to our homepage. Let's go back to the channel and check for our community and check our community to see if the post has been shared to our community. So you click on post. When you click on post, you scroll. So now you see our video is here. It's right here. This is our community tab. So this is how to share an already uploaded video to your YouTube channel. You can decide to share an image. So you will have to, upload an image. You can share up to 5 images from your gallery or from your computer. You can also create a text. If you do not want to share an image, you can just write a text here. You can say hello people, how is your day going? How is everyone doing? If it's a poll, you're going to go to your image poll. You can ask a question here, write a question, and then here give your audience the opportunity to pick an option, to choose an option. So you can put your option one here and then your option two here. If maybe you have more options to create, then you go to add option. You go to add option and then add more. You can as well add more, as many options as possible. So when you when that is done, after writing the question, or is you want your audience to suggest or to choose, you can write whatever it is you want to talk about here, and then they have the right to pick which best suits them. And when that is done, by that time this place will be highlighted with you, and then you click on post. So that is how to post to your community tab. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, share your thoughts about what you think about the video. It helps to engage our videos, and also hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified when I upload new video. Please don't forget to support my channel by liking this video and hitting the subscribe button. Until I come your way again, bye.